Hi, this is Kenyon with Little Giant Ladder Systems. Today we're going to demo the AirDeck. The AirDeck accessory is fantastic for a number of our multi-purpose ladders. Now, make sure in your instruction booklet if the AirDeck is compatible with your Little Giant ladder. If you have any questions, you can always call the 1-800 number, consult with one of our customer experience representatives, and they can tell you if the AirDeck will work with your ladder. The AirDeck holds tools, recesses for hammers, putty knives, loose equipment up here, round gallons, and if we remove this receptacle here, we also have a place for quartz and a place to put the chuck of your drill or even a cup holder. It will hold up to 25 pounds worth of equipment. The other thing that the AirDeck will do, as you climb the ladder, you'll notice that on your Little Giant ladder, there are receptacles to receive the AirDeck in a vertical fashion. Your Little Giant ladder might be different. I'm showing you this on the SelectStep. As you climb up the ladder, you'll also notice that the AirDeck will hold your hands, giving you that balance, stability that's great as you climb close to the top of your ladder. By lifting this, now it's in a position where I can load that up to 25 pounds worth of equipment. To operate the deck of the AirDeck, simply squeeze in these orange buttons that are facing towards you. As you're squeezing the left and the right, now you can slide that AirDeck into its storage position. A number of Little Giant ladders will also receive the AirDeck in a horizontal fashion. To remove the AirDeck, you'll simply squeeze in these orange locks, and then you can slide that out. You'll now slide that AirDeck in to the receptacles in a horizontal fashion. Always make sure that these are locked before loading that with equipment. And a few quick reminders here, always choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, and maintain 3 points of contact when you're climbing up or down any ladder. This is the AirDeck by Little Giant Ladder Systems.